cooperation on trade. Of course,
Okay.
we are going to have, inshallah, joint trade committee. But before that, we have already established what we call Egyptian-Indonesian Business Councils. ABCNA, we're going to reactivate because, you know, during COVID, not so much activities, but of course, we still have a contact to maintain that we need to put together the business council in both sides, Indonesia-Egypt Business Councils, and also Egyptian-Indonesia Business Council to sit down together. Now that's what we are working now to, to communicate and to connect so that we can start again to have a boss business forum to discuss about business opportunities that lies ahead us between Indonesia and Egypt. Thank you.